Hey guys, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you to get logged into your US bank account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Now the first thing you need to do is to open up any web browser on your PC and there on the URL bar search for usbank.com. Once you tap on the enter button, you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now there you will be able to see this login box at the right side of your screen. Now you can choose your account type by tapping on this down facing arrow to open up the expanded menu. Now choose the account that you want to log in and there you have to type in your username and then the password of your account. Now if you want to reveal and confirm your password before moving on, you can tap on this show button next to the password. And if you want your username to be remembered by the system so that you don't have to type in your username manually in your next visit, then tick this square box. But if you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck this square box. And once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on login button. Once you tap on login button, you will be able to get logged into your US bank account. Now that's how easily you can get logged into your US bank account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.